Hi artists, welcome to art. We are going to be creating our 4th grade art projects. So what you need is a piece of paper and a pencil to start. We're going to draw a nice long skinny triangle. First for the stem, and then we are going to add the leaf part. So we're going to start at the right side and we're going to add little curvy lines, 3 bumps. Then when we get to the top, we're going to add 1 bump, and then we're going to add 3 bumps on the other side. Once you have that complete, we're going to break it up into 8 sections. So we're going to draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next, we're going to start adding our patterns. We're going to start at the bottom left-hand section with some nice dotted lines. So you're going to fill that space with dotted lines or dots. Next, we are going to move on to zigzag lines. So we're going to draw them diagonally as we go across this section of the leaf. The next section, we're going to draw some vertical, wavy, or curvy lines in this section of the leaf. After we complete that, we're going to move on to bumpy at the top. We're going to draw our bumpy lines and fill in that space. Next, we're moving on to dashed lines, which we're going to draw vertically. So that means we're drawing them up and down and in a row. After that, we're going to draw some diagonal lines that are straight across the next section. Then we're going to add some spiral lines in the next section. And the last section, we're going to draw some loopy lines. So they go around and around like a roller coaster. So that's how you add the patterns on the leaf. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your Sharpie and trace all your lines. So make sure you take your time tracing those lines. Next, you're going to add the ombre into our artwork. So once you finish tracing, you'll add the color and... Okay, artists, after you've finished your lovely drawing and tracing with Sharpie, you're going to go ahead and we're going to start our lovely blending or creating an ombre. So you're going to get your closest colors together. So you're going to get your green, red, orange, and yellow. You can use your colored pencils or crayons, paints, whatever you got. So what I do is when I start with my green, do a good chunk green. Notice I'm going in the same direction. Okay, and then I'm going to start taking my yellow into it. So I'm going to add my yellow. Notice if I leave it like this, it does not blend well. So if I just go and have a stark blending, it does not blend well. So what I need to do is take my green and color a little lighter, don't push as hard, and blend it out into my yellow. So I'm going to soften that edge by coloring lighter than I did before. Okay. So see how that creates kind of a blend of colors. As I continue, I can go into my orange. I'm going to spread out my yellow a little bit more into it. Remember, don't leave that harsh color edge right there. Blend it out a little bit by coloring lightly. And then I can spread it out like so. So that's how you blend and add, mix between the two different colors. I look forward to seeing these masterpieces completed. Goodbye, friends.